Now, Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi, today expressed concern over speculative news article in the Diplomat magazine about center's plan to exchange territory with neighboring Myanmar to facilitate demarcation of a part of the boundary that has remained unresolved for decades. The article titled, "Is India Planning an Exchange of Territory with Myanmar?" written by Rajiv Bhattacharya, informed that an official document seen by the diplomat mentions about proposal being examined by the Indian government to complete the demarcation of the boundary between border pillars 65 and 68 along Manipur's border with Myanmar. The document says 1.4 square miles is proposed to be exchanged with Myanmar following a proposal from the Foreign Secretary. The territory that is being considered for exchange lies in Manipur's Chandil district, contiguous to Myanmar's Kabo Valley in Saigang region. The document, dated May 26, 2026, further mentions that the boundary demarcation is planned to be completed within 3 months. The controversial part of the boundary in Manipur lies between border pillars 64 and 68 at Molcham, border pillars 75 and 79 at More, and border pillars 88 and 95 at Choro Kuno. While expressing concern over the speculations, Cocomi has warned that if such exchange of territory with Myanmar materializes by compromising the territory of Manipur, Cocomi will not remain silent. In a press note issued by IPR Subcommittee Convener Pijam Shamchand, Cocomi maintained that Manipur was an independent kingdom and forefathers have defended the land for centuries. Manipur has lost some of its territory earlier after it became part of India. While seeking clarity from center on the speculative report, Cocomi questioned how much more land Manipur has to sacrifice in order to settle the border dispute with Myanmar.